This isn't just another political reshuffle in Washington. Donald Trump has removed Pam Bondi from a position as US Attorney General. On the surface, it looks like a response to growing backlash. But the reason behind it is where things get complicated. Because this decision is tied to one of the most sensitive and explosive cases in recent history, the Jeffrey Epstein files. And the way those files were handled has triggered serious questions. For months, there were expectations that the Epstein documents would reveal something big: names, networks, accountability. Instead, what came out was confusion. Large volumes of documents were released, but heavily redacted. In some cases, victims' details were exposed, while key names remained hidden. At the same time, there were conflicting statements. At one point, there were suggestions of a client list. Later, official communication denied its existence. And that gap between expectation and reality damaged credibility. Not just of the investigation, but of the system handling it. And that's where Pam Bondi comes in. As Attorney General, the responsibility, fairly or unfairly, landed on her. So the question is, why remove her now? One possibility is straightforward: accountability. Public pressure was rising. Lawmakers were asking questions. The outrage wasn't going away. In that scenario, removing Bondi becomes a way to signal action. But there's another way to look at it. Was she the one who failed? Or was she managing a system that was already too complex, too constrained, too political to deliver clear answers? Because handling millions of sensitive documents, balancing legal risks, protecting identities, this isn't a simple task. And yet, the expectations were massive. Which raises a deeper question. Was Pam Bondi removed because she made mistakes, or because she became the easiest person to hold responsible? And then there's the timing. This move comes at a moment when the US is facing pressure on multiple fronts, including rising tensions involving Iran. In politics, moments like these matter, because a major domestic shakeup can quickly shift attention, from external challenges to internal developments. Now, there's no direct evidence that this was the intention, but it does change the narrative. Instead of questions about what's happening outside the country, the focus shifts to what just happened inside the administration. And that's what makes this story bigger than just one firing, because it sits at the intersection of accountability, pressure, and control over the narrative. The real question is, was this about fixing a problem or managing one?